everyone, this is Mauricio here at Tico Laser Creations, and today we're going to be talking a little bit about air filtration system. I do a lot more than just laser engraving for the products I develop here in my shop. So I needed something to give me a little bit more of a clean air. So when you do especially sanding and you get some fine dust getting lost in different places, I have allergies and I needed something to help me out a little bit, kind of cleaning up the air more in my shop. So anyways, I did some research and ended up deciding to go with the Denweny 360-degree filtration system. It seems pretty good, the reviews that it has and stuff like that. So we're gonna check it out. I am gonna be leaving the link to this product down in the description just in case you want to check it out. But this one is the Kingmaster F12 Pro, and it promised to be really easy to install. So after we install it and we run it, I'm gonna come back and do another video kind of reviewing the performance, see if it really works the way it promised to be. Anyways, let's get to the installation, and if you have any other questions or anything like that, comments, and I will do my best to answer those questions if I can. Thank you. All right, here we have the filtration system. It has 4 filters on all 4 sides. They're rated as MERV 11. I think that stands for minimum efficiency resistant value, and so an 11 rating, for what I read, it can catch up to 95% of particles 1 micron or bigger, that's awesome. If I could get all that stuff out of there, that would be good. The filter says change every 4 to 5 months. I'm planning to do so. And then let me show you what it comes in terms of hardware. These are the little hooks that get bolted here in the corners of the filter box, and the little ones are supposed to go up to the top, to the ceiling, and the 4 chains to hang that like that. The other option that it comes with is these little brackets, so you can, same thing, you bolt them to the filter box and then you attach them up to the ceiling. Now for something like this, I would like for it to be attached to the wood beams or rafters there, or whatever that is. And I'm not sure, like the spacing of the beams and all that stuff, if that's going to work with this. Otherwise, I would just use a metal bar that I can attach to the beams and to the filter box. That should be simple enough. And if that's all that I have to do for the installation, I'm actually looking forward to it, because it's going to be really easy. It's been about a week since I installed the air filtration system in my shop, and all I can say is why I had not done this before. In just a week, I have noticed a huge difference in the quality of the air in my shop, and my allergies and asthma are definitely very grateful about the installation. Love it so far. The one I installed is the Denweny 360, and I actually recommend it. But if you have dust in your shop, you just want some clean air around there, installing an air filtration system is the most. And don't have to be this one. It can be any filtration system that you can get to it. This is just the one I researched and I installed, and I like it so far. We'll see if after running it for a few months, how does that is still performing. But I will do another video update on that. So far, this one, like I said, comes with a 2-button remote control or 2-speed remote control and a timer and an on and off. It is really good. It's a little in the loud side at its highest speed, but if you run it in the lowest speed, it moves the air in the shop. It does all the filtration, and it's pretty good. I put it in the higher speed if I'm not in the shop, just because I'm pretty sensitive of the sound, but not because it's actually loud. It's only 63 decibels, so it's not a big deal. All right, I hope this has been helpful for you guys. And if you're looking into installing an air filtration system and kind of, like, do I do it? Is it gonna help? It does help. What filtration system you installed? It can be any. The one I installed is the 360 D1, and I love it. So I'll put the links into the description if you wanted to check it out. And until next time, thank you.